Hi, and welcome to another Job Pro tutorial. Today we will be reviewing the new email buttons on the bid and invoice pages. Previously, you would need to save a copy of your invoice or proposal and then navigate to the Reports History tab to send. With this new Print and Email button, we have simplified the process to allow you to both save and send all in one place. Let's first take a look at the bid worksheet. Here you will see that the old Customer Proposal button has been replaced with the Print and Email button. Simply click and the new email screen will appear. You can select your proposal template, add any agreements or attachments, enter your email information, and see a preview on the right side of the screen. Once you're ready to send, simply click the Save and Send button. This will email the proposal as well as save a copy to the Reports History tab where you can view and track its email status just like before. If you are not ready to send, you can click the Save to PDF button and this proposal will be saved to the Reports History tab where you can send it to your customer at a later date. On the invoice screen, you will see that the old Print button has also been replaced by the new Print and Email button. This screen looks similar to the one on the bid worksheet, where you can select your templates, add any attachments you may have, enter the information for the email, and preview the invoice on the right side. Click Save and Send to email this invoice directly, or Save to PDF to save a copy to send later through the Reports History tab. That is going to wrap up our tutorial on the new email buttons. If you have any questions, please reach out to your support team by using the support portal or by emailing support@jobprotech.com. Thanks for watching.